Hey guys, it's me again. Today I'm going to show you the most awesome virus ever! You too!
Oh.
How many times do I have to say that?
Well, I don't know, Steve.
It's been 26 times I've been doing a YouTube video.
Well, that was too many times.
When I said it 10 times, you didn't stop either. Guys, look at this! Rocket! This is going to explode in the sky and make lightning. As I mentioned, Shebang! Now, the one I really want to do the most of all is... I will kill you! Read, oh God, it says... Whoa, you can't even write this in your hand. And you can only do it outdoor and place on a level surface. God. Yeah, this is the best one yet. I can see when I'm poking it out. Let's see. Now, this is all one thing. All one firework. And guys, check this out. Damn, look at all these. Oh, I'm so lucky. I don't even have these kind of fireworks. Let me just I feel so bad for whoever can't do any of this stuff. I'm pretty sure everyone can. Now, I got like 3 of these things.
Everyone can.
Not everyone has the money, Grandma. That's my grandma. Okay. Now, this is one big one, too. Yeah. Everything's just all TNT, everything we got, but TNT's the best you can get. TNT, I love you. TNT, I love TNT. I blow up my Sparkies. Guys, look at this. I'll show you some of the small ones. These are strawberries. The strawberry fireworks. They all blow up in one. Guys, god dang. Look at all these guys. This is awesome, ain't it? Come on, you gotta admit. Gotta. Oh, here we go. Look at these. This is just so cool. I was so excited when I saw this crap. Got like 1 million of these though. Okay. Yeah, I can't wait to do those. The ones I really can't wait to do. I'm gonna show you those right now. Okay, guys, look at that. Look at this. I didn't check in here, guys. Oh, sparklers. Yeah, these. I'll show you the ones I really cannot wait to do. I would do them right now if I could. Well, not really because it's not 4th of July. Save it for then. You know what I mean, guys? Yep. If you're watching this video, because this is the night before 4th of July, I'm going to video that too. For anyone who never got to see fireworks or didn't get or missed this year, you're in luck, guys. Because I'll show you my fireworks too. These are the ones, bro. Here are the best ones yet. These go in the air. What? So how do you like that, guys? Yeah, what sucks to some people is they can't even afford it, right? So, yeah. And it totally freaking sucks. But for the people that can't buy this crap because, dang, I don't even I don't know how to explain about the people that can't buy this crap because it is so freaking awesome. And I'm just thinking, what the frick? These fireworks. They are so dang cool. Dang. You know, but don't worry, anyone that missed 4th of July, you're in love. So I'm going to show you my fireworks in the sky. What? It may be out front, maybe somewhere else. But wherever it is, you guys are in love because some people don't even get to see any fireworks. Some people just stay in their house. So if you found this on YouTube, you're very lucky. Because this is the best video you'll find yet. Oh my gosh. 1 second. It takes a second, okay? What's going on? Huh?
Yes.
What's going on?
Oh, people.
What?
Visiting, hanging out. Maybe they're having a birthday party for his wife or something.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna try to video. Okay, guys. Well, okay, enjoy 4th of July, guys. YouTube or not, you're gonna see some good fireworks. Promise, okay? I'll keep my word, brother. See you later, guys. Peace out. Stay cool.